Let's create a walking buddy. Time for a little adventure. Taking a break from crafting to enjoy a sunny stroll. Amazing. Getting sleepy already? Oh, what's that? Let's turn this into an exciting walking project. First, grab a box for the base. If it's open, seal it up with tape. Ask your family for help if you need a hand. If you have a milk carton, trim a little off the top for a smooth finish. Now, let's make some arms and legs. Tape a plastic string to some foil. Crumple it up, and voila, one arm done. Crunchy, crunchy. Repeat for the other arm and feet. Once all the arms and legs are ready, attach them to the box. Now, let's make a face. Grab some origami paper, fold it into a triangle, and fold the edges. Wait, does it look like a flower? Or maybe a dog? Flip it over, and it's a cat. I think I'll make a walking kitty. Time to dress it up. Do you love pink? Let's give it a fabulous outfit and add a ribbon. But wait, how will we hold it? Let's make a walking bag. Fold some paper, stick it together. It's done. Now your walking buddy is ready for adventures with you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventure.